How to download messages from iCloud. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access and save your iPhone messages using Apple's built-in options. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple account at the top of the screen. Next, tap iCloud. Tap on Show All. Scroll down and select Messages in iCloud. Make sure Use on this iPhone is turned on, so your messages can sync with iCloud. Keep in mind that iCloud doesn't provide a simple Download Messages button that lets you save your entire message history directly from iCloud.com. If you want to save individual conversations, open the Messages app and find the conversation you want to keep. You can select individual messages, copy them, and paste them into the Notes app or another document. For a complete backup of your messages, you can also back up your iPhone using iCloud Backup. Go back to Settings, tap your Apple account, then tap iCloud. Select iCloud Backup. Make sure Backup this iPhone is enabled, and tap Backup Now. Wait for the backup to finish before closing the Settings app. This backup can help preserve your messages and other iPhone data, but it isn't designed to create a readable message file that you can download and open separately. And that's it. You've successfully saved your iPhone messages using iCloud and Apple's built-in options. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful iCloud and iPhone tutorials.